Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our MCQ series of Indian modern history. So far, we have covered over 10 leaders who contributed much more towards their societies, seeking independence from the British government through their efforts and thoughts. The next leader is the Raj Bihari Bose, who was also an revolutionary activist who fought against the oppressive nature of British authorities in 20th century. Let's begin with the first question. Mark the incorrect option. First statement is Ras Bihari Bose was a revolutionary freedom fighter, and second, he was deeply influenced by the ideas of French Revolution. Which option is incorrect? Option A both, option B only one, option C only two, and option D none. And the correct option is option D, because both statement is correct. So option D is incorrect. He was a revolutionary freedom fighter as well as deeply influenced by the ideas of French Revolution. Now moving to second question, which statement is are correct? He was close friend of Bagha Jatin. Second, he also joined the revolutionary group Jugantar. Which option is correct? Option A only first, option B only second, option C both, and option D none. Be careful before marking your answer. Tell me which option is correct. Option C, both statement is correct. He was also a close friend of Bagha Jatin and also joined the revolutionary group of Jugantar Party. Now moving to third question. Who was the mastermind behind the Delhi conspiracy case in which the then Viceroy Lord Hardinge was attacked because of the transferring India's capital from Kolkata to Delhi in 1912? Option A Bagha Jatin, option B Arvindo Ghosh, option C Ras Bihari Bose, option D Manvendra Nath Roy. Which option is correct for Delhi conspiracy case? And option C Ras Bihari Bose was the main mastermind of Delhi conspiracy case. And correct answer is option C. Option question fourth. Choose the right option. He was involved in Ghadar movement in mid 1910. Second statement is during Ghadar movement and World War First, he along with other revolutionary leaders tried to initiate a mutiny in army in 1915, but it was a failure attempt. Which option is correct? Option A only first, option B only two, option C both, and option D none. And the correct option is option C. Both statement is correct because he was involved in Ghadarite movement as well as in World War First activities to initiate a mutiny in army in 1915, but it was a great failure for their leaders. Now moving to fifth question. Who held the Japanese citizenship after his marriage with a Japanese woman in 1923? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, option B M.N. Roy, option C Rabindranath Tagore, and option D Ras Bihari Bose. Which option is correct for holding the Japanese citizenship in 1923? And the correct option is option D Ras Bihari Bose, who held the Japanese citizenship after fleeing from India to Japan after and married with a Japanese woman in 1923. Now moving to sixth question. Which statement is are incorrect? First statement is he was instrumental in raising support for Indian independence movement abroad, and second, Bose asked and convinced the Japanese authorities to support Indian movement during World War II in early 1940s. Which option is incorrect for the Ras Bihari Bose? Option A both incorrect, option B only second, option C only first, and option D none. And the correct option is option D, because both the statement is correct. So option D is correct option. He was instrumental in raising support for Indian independence movement abroad and convinced the Japanese authorities to support Indian movements during World War II. Now moving to seventh question. Who founded the Indian Independence League in 1942? Option A Raj Bihari Bose, option B Surendranath Banerjee, option C Devendranath Tagore, option D Subhash Chandra Bose. Which option is correct for the foundation of Indian Independence League? And the correct option is option A Raj Bihari Bose, who founded Indian Independence League in 1942. Now moving to eighth question. Who was honored with the Order of the Rising Sun by Japanese government? Option A Raj Bihari Bose, option B Subhash Chandra Bose, option C M.N. Roy, and option D none. The correct option is option A Raj Bihari Bose, who was honored with the Order of the Rising Sun by the Japanese government because of his support to the government Japan. Now moving to last question. Who founded the Japanese branch of the Hindu Mahasabha, becoming its first president? Option A M.N. Roy, option B Raj Bihari Bose, option C Bhaga Jatin, option D B.D. Savarkar. Which option is correct for the formation of Hindu Mahasabha in Japan and becoming its first president? And the correct option is option B Raj Bihari Bose, who founded the branch of the Hindu Mahasabha in Japan and becoming its first president. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers to our Last Mile Approach channel. Please subscribe, like and share our initiatives.